Hello everyone. Today the top 5 best mechanical keyboards 2025. Mechanical keyboards are durable, high-performance keyboards favored for their tactile feedback and precise key actuation. Each key has an individual mechanical switch, providing a satisfying typing experience and faster response times. Popular among gamers and typists, mechanical keyboards offer customization options, longevity, and improved typing accuracy compared to membrane keyboards. Get ready for honest and in-depth product reviews that will help you make informed buying decisions. Hit subscribe and never miss a review show. Let's get started. Number 5. Kinesis KB900 BRN. The Kinesis Freestyle Pro is an unusual keyboard because it's split into two parts, which are connected via a cable. One half holds the left side of the keyboard, from Q to T on the top row of letters, while the other holds the rest, Y to P and other keys. This setup works surprisingly well because it allows you to tilt the two parts, which puts your wrists at a more natural angle. The optional VIP 3 accessory kit further enhances this with a wrist rest and supports the angle of the keyboard to form a tent shape. Again, this can be a big plus if you have RSI, repetitive strain injury, or wrist issues, as it allows you to vary the angle by moving the stands to different positions quickly and easily. The Freestyle Pro is fitted with Cherry MX Brown switches, which have a nice positive feel and a clicky sound when you press them, but with less noise than the blue switches. The keyboard also allows you to record macros using the free SmartSet software, which can be assigned to any key. Compatible with both Mac and PC, this keyboard also includes swappable Windows and Mac keytops. If you suffer from RSI, or don't want to be someone who does, the Kinesis is worth the extra cost, as it's the most adjustable and configurable keyboard we looked at by a considerable margin. Number 4. Logitech 920010547. The Logitech MX Mechanical keyboard is like a supercharged version of its productivity-focused MX Keys counterpart. Outfitted with mechanical switches, typing with this keyboard not only feels more responsive, but it's also better suited for anyone who uses the same computer for work and occasionally game, and who doesn't need anti-ghosting, a high polling rate, or other features that usually come with gaming keyboards. The MX Mechanical comes in 3 options: clicky, tactile, or linear switches. These are not hot swappable switches like the Noofy Halo 96, but that's not a major disadvantage considering this is first and foremost an office keyboard. It's also compatible with every type of computing device: Windows, Apple, macOS, iOS, iPadOS, Linux, Chrome OS, and Android, but the accompanying software only works with Windows and Mac. Battery life is decent for a wireless mechanical keyboard, too. During testing, we managed 8 to 9 days of mixed use, office work and gaming, with the backlight on before needing to recharge. According to Logitech, if you don't use the backlight, the MX Mechanical's battery can last up to 10 months. Number 3. SteelSeries 64622. Even though the SteelSeries Apex Pro is a full-sized keyboard, it doesn't take up too much room on the desktop. The build quality is top class, with a matte black aluminum board, and an incredibly comfortable, soft-touch wrist rest that connects to the keyboard magnetically. There's a small OLED at the top right, along with a clickable roller and a large key that serve as dedicated media controls. You can make the OLED display your gamer tag, or even a GIF animation. It also offers some welcome feedback on your chosen settings and profiles, so you don't need to tab out of your game to tweak things. The headline feature here comes courtesy of the Apex Pro's magnetic OmniPoint switches. Not only does SteelSeries claim they're much more responsive and durable than conventional mechanical keyboard switches, but they also offer customizable actuation. This means you can configure your preferred sensitivity level from 0.1 mm to 4.0 mm, dictating whether you'd like the lightest of touches to register or a deeper press for each key. It doesn't change the feel of typing on the keyboard, which is excellent by the way, but it does change when the key press registers. Take the time to set up different profiles for work and play, and even for individual games, and you will feel the benefit. The SteelSeries Apex Pro features bright RGB backlighting, which is fully configurable on a per-key basis. The SteelSeries Engine 3 software is easy to understand. Number 2. Kyron C3P A1. Buying a mechanical keyboard might seem like a daunting task on its face, as some of the best boards top out at over $200, or even more for truly boutique products. But that doesn't mean you can't get a quality board at a reasonable price. The Kyron C3 Pro is a truly excellent mechanical keyboard that frequently goes on sale for under $30 and doesn't skimp on the features. The C3 Pro feels great to type and game on thanks to the proprietary, pre-lubricated Kyron switches and gasket mount, which adds a bit of flex and softens the typing experience. Kyron has also added acoustic foam inside the chassis to round out the keystroke sound. For such an inexpensive keyboard, it includes features found on more expensive competitors like full N-key rollover, meaning every keystroke is recognized independently even if multiple keys, or all of them, are pressed at once. Although the only RGB lighting color available is red, there are 14 different patterns to choose from, and the keycaps are durable double-shot PBT that allow light to pass through. The one downside of the C3 Pro is that it's wired only, but at least the cable is detachable. In similarly priced competitors, it's often permanently attached, meaning you'll have to buy a new one if the cord is damaged. For those looking for an all-around solid productivity and gaming keyboard, or who want to dip their toes into the mechanical keyboard world without spending a lot of money, it's a solid option. Number 1. Noofy Halo 96. If you're looking to upgrade your typing experience while cutting the cord, look no further than the Noofy Halo 96. It's a fantastic mechanical keyboard that uses special layers of silicone throughout its construction, which makes typing on this keyboard soft yet crisp and perfect for hours of comfortable typing. The Halo 96 comes with your choice of linear or tactile switches. Sorry, no clicky switches here. You can choose from Gatron red or brown switches, or more boutique options like Gatron Baby Raccoon, Baby Kangaroo, or Noofy's own Rose Glacier or Night Breeze switches for another $10. This keyboard also features tri-mode connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz, and USB-C to charge while typing, and native Mac support. The biggest downside to this keyboard is that the software is still in development. If you need macro programming or key remapping, be prepared for rough edges and possible error messages. Buying the keyboard directly from Noofy also means paying extra for shipping and waiting 8 to 22 business days for delivery. If you want a tankless option that supports wireless connections, check out the Halo 75.